Coronavirus is on the rise in certain sections of the U.S. and it's moving the gold market. Todd Colvin, a senior vice president at Ambrosino Brothers, is here for the final trade of the day. Good to see you there, Todd. And Florida cases hit a record for 3 straight days. North Carolina, Texas, and Arizona also noting some hot spots. Tell us what you're seeing as investors are now reaching for safe havens and putting their money to work.
Well, we are seeing investors acting a little more fearful of a second lockdown like we saw back in March and April. And at this point, though, if you go over to the stock market, yesterday's stock market performance suggests that the stock market is not all afraid of that, because you're getting speak from the federal government, from different scientists, from doctors, from investors. No one really knows what's going to happen in third and fourth quarter. And that takes us over to gold, because gold did see a nice little bump higher. It has been trending higher, staying above that critical 1700 level. And yesterday we came just shy of what we'll call a forming triple top, just shy of 1790. We hit it we've hit it twice since the middle of April. We came up as high as 1779 yesterday. And I think what the market is doing right now is it's coiling, waiting for that confirmation. And then you're going to probably see a big leap once we trade north of 1800. Now, it hasn't hit yet, but it's coming in the days and weeks ahead, because uncertainty is going to continue to reign. And let's not forget that Federal Reserve, those policies, they aren't going anywhere in the short term either.
What else can you tell us, Todd?
Well, I think at this point, Fed policy, if you go back to 2008 and 2009, we get a similar view of what happened to gold. You had that initial jump higher when the Fed took rates to zero. Then you had a stabilization period before a big jump higher. Once you came into the fact that the Fed is trying to pump inflation into the market, obviously it's going to sink the dollar. And the longer these policies stay in play, obviously that is going to be very bullish to gold. So right now, we are kind of in that second.
Well, thank you so much as always, Todd.
Thank you, Angie.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.